lot of mold in this. Just joking. But for real. So you saw in the last episode, we cleaned it out. I didn't clean it out. My spouse did. That's their fun part. Yeah, so today we are removing the mold from the upholsteries. I sprayed it down with vinegar multiple times because plants change. I'm going to go over it gently first with the regular vacuum to get all the crap up, and then I'll go over it with the wet vac to get the mold out. And I guess we'll see what happens. I've never done this, so I'm going to suit up and get to it. And yeah, the rest of the videos will probably be mostly time lapses, so enjoy. Also, I think we named him Eddy. Non-binary Subaru. First of his kind. don't know if you can actually see that, but I'd say it's a pretty good before and after. Just first round. I mean, that's before, obviously, and that's after. Look at that. There's still some stains and stuff. Probably have to go over it a couple times, but, you know, it's my first time actually using this correctly. I think, because it looks better than the previous times I've ever used it for. But, let's get back to work. Okay, so for some reason that time lapse didn't work. So here's the after one go around. I'd say it looks pretty good. Not perfect, but good. Still gotta do the sides. But yeah, check her out. So obviously it's not done, but I was able to get most of, if not all of the mold out. Next project, I'll wipe down the chairs. I'm running out of time today. Gotta go to work, but yeah, looking pretty good.